What's good, YouTube? Back at it with the tutorials. You already know how it goes. Today I'm going to show you how to properly do a pull-up. Again, we're going back to the basics. I'm going to really break down every basic exercise that you can do in the gym. This is for my beginners, even my advanced lifters who might be doing some of these exercises the wrong way. So let's get into it. So a lot of times with this exercise, a lot of times I see people doing this exercise wrong, that they're not necessarily wrong, but they're not getting the full range of motion that they should be getting with a pull-up or chin-up, if you will. They're not allowing themselves to really come to a dead hang and really allowing that muscle to stretch, like I talked about in the dumbbell row tutorial, right? So same principles apply with the pull-up or chin-up. So my hands are here, and notice I'm at a straight dead hang, and then I want to pull myself up. Try and have, if you can, try and pull your chin up above the bar if you can, or just as close as possible. That's something you can work at if you can't do it right off the bat. So pull your hand right over there and come down. The biggest thing is like focus on my elbows. So like when I'm down here, my elbows are trying to be as close to my side as possible. And then I come back down to a dead hang. And the same thing. I'm not doing this where I'm not. And plus, this is still good work, but coming down to this dead hang and then having to drive yourself up, that is 10 times harder, and you're getting a lot more out of the exercise that way. All right, before I close this tutorial out, I'm gonna probably come on this side for the lighting. Before I close the tutorial out, I'm gonna show you how to do it just with different grips. But just, again, remember, you wanna get that full stretch. That's the basic thing when it comes to pull-ups, is just getting that full stretch and then driving those elbows back. That's the pure basics of doing a back workout or any back exercise. So let's go with the closer grip this time. And down. Dead hang and drive up. So I'm gonna also, real quick, this might be even more helpful for you. So I'll turn around. So basic pull-up, taking it, pulling down, squeezing that back. Squeezing your shoulder blades together, basically is what you want to kind of be thinking about when doing your pull-ups. Just like that. So pull-ups is kind of one of those exercises that you should always be able to do. You should always be able to kind of pull your body weight up. It's the same thing kind of with push-ups. And it's okay if you can't do that. It's something that you can work towards. Depending on the type of gym you have, they might have assisted pull-up machines that you can use to help you kind of develop that body weight strength so that you can do pull-ups on your own. But it's one of those essential exercises that you can do pretty much at the beginning of every workout that you have. So it's back day. Of course, start off with some pull-ups. If it's chest day, do some pull-ups. That's gonna really help you warm up your lats and allow you to get a stronger bench press, as I've talked about before. Shoulder day, it's good to do some pull-ups. Just a good exercise to kind of warm your upper body up. So y'all try that for yourselves. For my beginners out there, I hope that really helps y'all out in kind of understanding the proper way to do this exercise. So let me know in the comment section, again, if there's any other exercises or tutorials that y'all want me to bring to y'all and I'm doing for y'all. So again, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at DJ_Allen6. I'm bringing weekly videos and reels to y'all on my daily workouts that I have inside of this gym, inside of 24, everywhere. So y'all tap into those so y'all can get some daily workouts from me. But until next time, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, all that. We out.